Hey everyone, I know kind of an odd angle today, but I thought this lighting would be perfect to really be able to show the true color of these new notebooks from Love and Trip by Travelers Company. I have the standard as well as the passport. So I thought we'd unbox both of those today. I got a few items to set them up. I have this insert, which is the zipper pouch, along with like the clear pouch, the wide pouch on one side, the Kraft folder in the 020, and then for the passport, it's the 010 Kraft folder. And then I've been holding on to this for a long time, and I think this is going to be the perfect match for this one, being the Superior Labor clip from the store in Japan. A friend had sent this to me years ago, so I thought that reddish tone in this clip will match the big Travelers Company really nicely. All right, so we'll do the passport first. So the paper on the front is interesting because it has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's almost like it's embossed, and so you get this nice shine to it. And then it has this burgundy strap. Here's the bag, the cotton bag for this one. And then, again, I'm in pure daylight today, so I thought this would really show the color best as far as what the cover looks like. It's truly like a burgundy red against the elastic. So I think I'm going to switch that out for mustard. I think that'll be a really pretty combo change. And then I also wanted to be able to really show the color of what the inside and the insert. So the insert is really more of a red compared to the cover is more like a burgundy. So it's not brown, but it's like a burgundy red. So anyone who knows me, for many, many years, bags I had, planners I had, even clothes, I had a lot of burgundy, say from my late teens through all my 20s. So I kind of got away from burgundy for a while. I must have gotten burnt out on it, but when I saw this, it was just so beautiful, and so decided to get a couple of these. So that's the passport. Let's go ahead and do the other size. So same on this one, the logo is slightly different. It has an airplane above it, but it's that same kind of shimmer foiling type of look to it. And then again, they all have that same red elastic band. And then here it is with the cotton bag. So pretty. I'll take it out. It's the same. You can see it's that really pretty burgundy, and then the band is a red. Again, I'm going to change those out probably for mustard. It will typically have on these shinier covers, you will initially see like an indentation, but those go away in time. I've had many that have come that way to me, and then they go away over time. And then the inside is a much brighter red along with the red insert. So if I put this here, you can really see the different shades of red that are in the red. So this is the outside cover, inside, and then the inserts. The inserts for these are pretty special because not only are the covers unique, but also they have these perforated cards in here. And so you have 3 in the front, and they are double-sided, so they can be perforated and pulled out. The insert is cream, and then on the back side you have 4 more cards, and they are double-sided as well. Pull that out. And so those are the 4 on the inside. So some have bought duplicate inserts, but I just go ahead and use my inserts as I use them. So that is that one, and let me show you what the cards look like on this one. So same thing with the cat one. just fewer cards since it's short. It has 2 in the front. Those are perforated, double-sided with journaling lines. Cream blank insert. And then the last page, also perforated pages. There's 3 of them. Sorry, it's just 1, but it's 3 cards. And those are just so pretty as well. So those are the Travelers Company ones. Now I wanted to show you that clip. This clip, I didn't get the pen loop. I typically don't use those pen loops, so I did not buy the pen loops for these. But this is the clip that I'm going to be putting onto the big TN. But that one right there, oh, it's so pretty. You can really see how the color goes very well with this TN. And then on the inside, I'll go ahead and add them now. So this sheet comes with it. I typically leave it in there until I've figured out what I want to do. I put the zipper toward the back, and I always put this in the front so I can kind of make a dashboard that I want. And then I also have the Kraft folder. All right, so there it is set up. Has the clip on the front, and then the zipper pocket, then the Kraft folder. And by putting this in here right away, I'm able to take those sheets out that are protecting this insert, and that way it's protected by the Kraft folder. And then there's the zipper pouch, and then there's that. And then I'll change it to the mustard string on the front. All right, so same thing with this one. We're going to go ahead and add a little Kraft folder. I don't think I have a zipper pouch for this one. No, just the Kraft folder. These Kraft folders have a nice notch in the top and the bottom of where you can really guide and set your string, and then it helps prevent it from sliding around at all. So if I were using it as a wallet, I'll add the plastic holder in here, or one of the zipper ones, but for now it's not a wallet, it's just going to be as a notebook. So I've only added the Kraft insert to this one. And that's what it looks like by itself. So in here, even after you put those items, these cotton bags that come with the special edition ones, they are slightly bigger than the ones that come with the standard colors. So even after you put your inserts, you can still protect them inside of the cotton or muslin bags that they came with. All right, well, that's it for today. I'll share a few pictures here of what they look like. I think I'm going to go ahead and change out these colored bands, and then we'll see what I end up using those for. Thanks for watching. One other cute factor that is unique to this is that instead of just a circle with the color, they actually have a heart, and they say red on them. So those are pretty cute. So a couple more things I thought I could add to the mix here is to the large traveler's notebook, I'm going to add this mustard gold. And to the pocket size or passport, I'm going to add the orange because I have this orange B-Sides and Rarities insert that I thought would go very well with the Love and Trip pencil board that came. So thought that would be a nice way to kind of blend all of those colors together. I do also have the Love and Trip sticker packet from this year as well. So I'll add some of these stickers to those Kraft folders. It also has some really cute pocket stickers that could work well in there as well. So it's interesting. I just took this mustard band out to see what the length was, and I untied the band that came on the standard Travelers Company notebook, and you can see I can get 1, 2, 3, and a little bit more. So you could potentially get strings or elastics for up to 3 Traveler's notebooks with just the 1 refill string that comes on here. So, and that's standard size. So I'm going to try the orange one for the passport. So if I compare them side by side, My passport elastic is only about 1/2 inch shorter than my standard traveler's notebook elastic. So the same would be true. You could get 3 refill elastics out of just one color. So again, I'm going to put orange on the passport and I'm going to put mustard on the standard size. It's nice they've started making the hole in the back a little bigger because it's much easier to attach these elastics now. But wow, look at the contrast. When I get the notebooks and I add the craft folders, I do like to include one of the stickers at least that features the year that I got it. It helps me remember kind of the year when that specific sticker release was, or in this case, the sticker release as well as the notebook. I added the little heart from the plastic packaging on the front, and then 2 stickers from the sticker line this year. And then changed out the band to this mustard band, and it's just beautiful. So now that they make these holes in the back so big, so much easier to get these elastics in. This is the orange. So I'm choosing the orange because, again, I'm going to be adding this B-Sides and Rarities insert, as well as this little pencil board that I bought for this year. It has the orange and the blue in it. All right, so here is the passport size with the orange band. You can really see it in the back when it's compared with the orange insert. Cute. Pencil board is in here, and then the insert that came with it, and then a couple of the Love and Trip stickers. Again, this little red stickers from the packaging, and then these 2 stickers are from the sticker pack. Okay, so in here, I think you can see the difference between the mustard yellow, versus the orange that I put on the small one. So they add a nice little contrast, and again, you end up with plenty of string left on those elastics from these kits. You can still make another, you can make 3 elastics, enough for 3 notebooks out of each of those refills. So somehow I'm going to save and incorporate those little slips of paper that have that red foiling on them. Also, gotta love how this debossed look looks on the back of both of these covers. Here I just wanted to show you what the red band looks like versus this like burgundy color. And then my favorite combo for the passport has to be the Love and Trip pencil board with the B-Sides and Rarities insert. Adding that orange band on the passport just gives it such a custom feel and perfectly blends all of the themes all together. Well, I hope you love it as much as I do. I'll have links below to some of the other inserts that are available on Amazon. This is a limited edition cover, so it will not be found there, but you can use my affiliate links if you like, and they may pay me a small commission if you decide to use those. Thanks so much for watching. If you love Traveler's Company as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one.